Creative writing exercise 6. A. Choose a fairy tale character that you like. Describe the character in the story. Character Snow White. Description Snow White was a beautiful princess whose skin was as white as snow. She had a cruel stepmother who was jealous of Snow White's beauty and wanted to kill her. Snow White escaped and lived with the 7 dwarfs in the woods. In the end, she met a handsome prince and lived happily ever after. Character Cinderella. Description A girl named Cinderella lived with her stepmother and 2 stepsisters. Poor Cinderella had to work hard all day long so the others could rest. One day, big news came to town. The king and queen were going to have a ball. It was time for the prince to find a bride. Her stepmother and stepsisters also joined the ball. Cinderella was left behind. But with the help of fairy, she was able to join the party. The prince fell in love with her and they were married and lived happily. B. Look at the pictures. Complete the story according to the pictures. Long, long ago, there lived an elephant and a monkey in the forest. However, both of them were very proud. The elephant felt he was strong and powerful, while the monkey thought of himself as intelligent and quick. One day they asked a wise old bird, "Sir, can you tell us which is more important, being strong or being quick?" The bird did not give them an answer immediately. Instead, he told them to get some bananas from the tree on the other side of the river and bring them to him. The elephant and the monkey went to the river. The current was fast and the monkey was afraid. "I am strong and I can swim across the river. Sit on my back," said the elephant, "and I'll take you across the river." Soon they got to the other side. The elephant tried hard to reach the bananas, but they were too high. The monkey said, "I am good at climbing trees. I can climb this tree quickly." He climbed up the tree easily, plucked the bananas and brought them down to the elephant. The wise bird observed the 2 animals in action. "Both of you needed help to get the bananas," said the old bird with a smile. "Both of you needed help to get bananas. If you are strong or quick, you will work together." From then on, the elephant and the monkey became good friends. C. Look at the pictures. Write 1 or more sentences for each picture with the help of the words and phrases given. Bored, trick, cried. A boy who was looking after the sheep. He thought to play a trick because he was bored and started to cry out loudly, "Wolf, wolf." Farmers, help, laughed. The farmers were working nearby, ran to help him. When they reached there, he laughed at them. The next day, again angry. The next day, he played the same trick. The farmers rushed to help him, but there was no wolf. Wolf shouted, "Help!" One day, the wolf really came there and attacked the sheep. The boy shouted for help. Heard, rest, ignored. The farmers heard him crying but ignored him and preferred to take rest under the shade of tree. 8. Boy, regret. The wolf ate all the sheep and the boy felt regret for what he had done. D. Writing task. The following is an outline of a story, The Mice and the Cat. Write the whole story with the help of the outline. Title, characters, problems, actions, and. The Mice and the Cat is the title, and characters are Mother Mouse, Little Mouse, Tom Cat, Bulldog. Problem, the mice met Tomcat and were almost eaten. Actions, Mother Mouse tricked Tomcat into believing that Bulldog is a good friend of theirs and the cat did not eat them. The Mice and the Cat. Mother Mouse and Little Mouse always felt fear of Tomcat. Tomcat was always looking for Little Mouse. He wanted to eat it. He was fearless. He was walking here and there. He was not afraid of anything except Bulldog. Bulldog was a family friend who came to live with them. Tomcat would run away when he saw him approaching nearby. Once Tomcat chased Mother Mouse and Little Mouse into a corner. They were trapped and could not find any place to escape. He could not wait to eat them. Just then, Bulldog reached there. Terrified, Tomcat ran off as fast as he could. They were glad that they had managed to escape from Tomcat. E. Practice in creative writing. Fill in the chart below to complete a draft for your own fairy tale. Draft for fairy tale. The title, Beauty and the Beast. The main characters, the beauty, her family, and the beast. The background, the fairy tale starts with a young girl who lived with her father and two sisters. The time and place, big house in 18th century, Beauty's house and Beast's castle. The main plot, The Beauty and the Beast, is a heartfelt story about the birth of love and the capability of love to transform the way you look at people you love. The ending, the fairy tale has a happy ending because the great love between the Beauty and the Beast were real, and when the Beauty declared the love for the Beast, he transformed into a beautiful prince. The theme, Inner Beauty versus Outer Beauty. Now, with the help of your draft, write in about 100 words your very own fairy tale. Give your story a suitable title, The Beauty and the Beast. The fairy tale of The Beauty and the Beast starts with a young girl who lived with her father and two sisters. They lived a good life in a big house, but due to some unfortunate turn of events, her father lost all his money. One day, the father found out there is a slight chance he could get back a part of his fortune when one of the ships got back. On his way home, the father got lost and wandered into a castle. He saw beautiful roses and he picked one. In that moment, the beast caught him and the father begging for his life. The beast let him go under the condition of him sending one of his daughters to the castle. The young girl was willing to come into the palace. Beast disappeared all of the sudden and its palace was taken by a beautiful prince. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.